Hey guys, Brooke here today for Legal Talk Tuesday, and my screen is buffering, so hopefully I am live. Okay, I'm not sure if I went live already or not, but I was having a little weird glitch. But Brooke here today for Legal Talk Tuesday. Um, if you've been following us for a little while on this page, you know that Laura talks all things family law, and I am our business lawyer. So once a month, I hop on here and chat with you guys about business law. So one of my favorite things to do is to work with startups and small businesses. I find that it's extremely rewarding. And we provide our clients with business resources, advice, and support to really help you guys reach your goals because your success is our success. And we get really excited to join you on your journey as your business ally. So today I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about why you might need a business lawyer. There's a variety of reasons for needing one at different stages of being a business owner. So here are just a few things. One, deciding how to structure your business. Two, drafting and negotiating contracts. Three, negotiating the sale of your business or even purchasing one. And four, proactively protecting your business. So those are four things that we help with here, and they're the most common. There are different reasons you may need a lawyer, but it's difficult on the front end to figure out how to structure your business if you haven't started a business before. And so there are different tax implications, and we can advise on the legal side. We often collaborate with CPAs or ask you to discuss it with your CPA before you come to us, but that is one reason that you might need to speak with a lawyer. Also, contract drafting. We know that sometimes it might be tempting to save money and cut corners and maybe, copy something somebody else has or find something online. But contracts are state specific, even though there are some common features that and clauses that are in a lot of contracts in different states, but there is state specific rules, laws, requirements. So that's one reason that you at least want somebody to review the contract if you've drafted it. And negotiating a contract can be difficult, not only because you may not necessarily know the legal things that you need to know, but also because when you've got a business, that's your baby, and so sometimes your emotions may prevent you from making some decisions that you need to make. Or a lot of times we even see people maybe not want to make a contract because they're like, oh, we've got a handshake and we've got a deal. Or, they may even just say, well, we're starting this together and we're all in a good place. And so we don't anticipate problems. But our job is to be that person who anticipates those problems because you'll both or however many people that you have involved in the business will really be appreciative if there are ever any decisions that you don't agree on or if things happen to go south. Negotiating the sale of your business, purchasing one, that is definitely something that can be stressful, and it's also a big decision. You don't want to just leave that to chance or just guess on the internet on some language that you found. And also proactively protecting your business. It goes back to we want to be there to help you anticipate things that we see regularly because we do this every day, but you might not necessarily realize that that could be an issue or that something you're doing might cause that issue. So we want to be there to protect you and your business. So, you know, part of what we do also is some business consultancy. And so there are a few reasons you might want someone to also consult you for your business, and that is to save time and money. So a skilled consultant can actually provide insight that can enable you to seize new opportunities and avoid common pitfalls that could actually eventually derail your success. You can also get expert help when it's needed. So engaging an outside expert when complex or sensitive issues come up can be an extra measure to ensure that problems that you are experiencing receive proper attention and are thoroughly resolved. So you can look to a small business consultant for help assessing and evaluating your business strategy, your processes, operations management, exposure to risk, resources, and even more. And also to plan for future growth. So there are many ways for you to work with consultants as your small business grows and changes. And most important, perhaps, is that these resources can give you the valuable time needed to focus on what you do best, and to focus on the things that actually create revenue for you or that even excite you. And so to help you kind of plan that out and have a path to take, a consultant can help you with all of those things. So business owners wear many hats. We're business owners. We know that. It can be overwhelming at times. We also understand that. So many times legal services are actually put off because of either budget restrictions or maybe even prioritized behind more pressing issues. So legal services are often only addressed when issues arise, and sometimes we can't help you at that point. So here at MVL, we have created business memberships to afford you a cost-effective, convenient way to legally and proactively protect your business. So starting and growing a business can also be daunting. It can also be isolating, especially if you don't know other people at that stage or other people that have done it. But you do not have to go it alone. Again, our memberships are kind of designed so we are not only your legal advisor, but we're also your business consultant. And so that's why I started today kind of talking about the benefits of having both. So just a little bit about our business memberships, because not everyone knows that we have those. So it's a subscription-based monthly flat fee rate. It's renewable every 3 months for legal and consulting services. And during that time, you receive an initial business review, monthly check-in, monthly document template offerings, document review and feedback, unlimited legal advice, resources, and discounts on our a la carte services. And so, at the end of that 3 months, you may have fulfilled everything that you needed, or you may want to continue on and just quarterly have that review, have that check in with us monthly, have somebody, we oftentimes, just because this is something that gets thrown around a lot as far as the legal profession, because that's the way a lot of people do it, we get asked, especially in the business law arena, what is your retainer? And if you don't know what a retainer is, if you're not familiar with that, a retainer really refers to, giving an attorney a certain amount of money to kind of have them there in your pocket if you need anything. And of course, that only covers so much. And then once you exhaust that retainer, you have to refill that retainer with more money. So you can kind of think of it like that. It's kind of having a lawyer in your pocket, and it is $250 a month, and you get all of those things. So we sit down and have that quarterly review with you. We have the monthly check-ins, so that way we can make sure that you're on track. We also, provide you some templates. We do review and feedback on documents that maybe you already have or that you're trying to create. And we're here for questions that come up as you go along. And we also have that secure portal, so that way your information is secure and you have direct access to us, as well as resources that we provide. And if you need anything, because a lot of times you just need one-offs, so you may need an operating agreement for your business, and that's an a la carte service, in a one-off service in our business. And so we provide discounts for those as well, if you are on our membership. So just want to kind of let you guys know that that's an option that we have. We really enjoy, me specifically, working with business clients. And if you have any questions, you can go to the website, and we have a chat bot there. You can ask questions there, and that'll help get you to my calendar if you want to book a call and talk about any of this in more depth. But we hope you guys are wrapping this quarter up well, and hopefully we can assist you in the next quarter, and everybody is in good spirits and good health going into October. We will be here next week I don't even know what the date is next week, but whatever next Tuesday is, at 11:30 Central Time. And I believe we will be talking to you guys a little bit about estate planning, which is also a need that business owners have also. So thank you for joining today, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.